How to create custom header in Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about on how to add a custom header in Shopify. In this video, I will demonstrate all the steps needed to create custom header in your Shopify store, how to create menu items, how to add them to the header, and how to customize the header. So watch this video until the end to better understand all these steps. First is you need to log into your Shopify store and then click on the online store in the left sidebar, then click on navigation. Menus or linked lists help your customers navigate around your online store. You can also create nested menus to display drop-down menus and group products or pages together. In here, you will see all the menus and their items that have been created for your store. By default, there are two types of menus, such as the footer and main menu. You can create your own menu and customize it according to your preference and requirement. In here, we're going to add catalog. It would show the products in your shop. Also, I want to add contact. Click pages and then click contact. And then I also want to add order tracking, in which we have shown you on how to create order tracking page. And then when you're satisfied, you can save it. You can create any item and link it to any page in your store, whether it's a product page, personal page, or a blog page. Once you've added them, you can also rearrange them by your liking. In creating custom header, we were going to click themes under the online store. To make any changes to your current theme, it is recommended to make a copy of your current theme. To do so, click on the three dots and then select duplicate, and your theme will be duplicated, and then you can edit the copy. And then we're going to click customize, and this will take you to the template editor page where you can see a preview of your store on the left sidebar. Under the header tab, you can change the desktop logo position wherever you like it. Could be on the top center, top left, middle center. I prefer it here. So you can change your main menu. You can create a new main menu on the navigation where I presented you a while ago. And then we can also choose a desktop menu type, which it is hidden here. I prefer it shown. And then for the sticky header, if we choose always, it would remain wherever you scroll up. But if you choose on scroll up, it would disappear. You could actually change the color scheme for your header depending on what you like. I prefer it white. And then the mobile logo position, if you're viewing using your mobile phones. You can also adjust the margin here, the top padding and the bottom padding. I think this is enough for me. You can actually put your social media accounts in here as well. And for the logo, we can choose here on our media files, or if you have any logo, you can put it in here. And then if you chose this logo, we can actually click done and it will be placed in here. And then you can actually hit save. You can click this button and then preview so we can better see our header is in here. Let's try to change color scheme. Hit save. You can refresh this one and it changes. Actually, let's try the sticky header to always, then hit save. You can actually try to edit, to play around what makes it beautiful for you, for your shop page, and do whatever you like. So I think that is how you create your custom header, and you have successfully added it in your Shopify store. And I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any suggestions or specific topics that you'd like us to cover in the future videos, please feel free to comment below. Stay tuned and stay subscribed to our channel for more helpful content. Thank you!